Hi guys. So today's graduation day. I even have a hosty voice. Elizabeth, say hi.
I'm sleepy.
We are all sleepy one day. There's jet lag, there's tired from graduation preparations. But yeah, today's graduation day. I arrived yesterday, like super late. I'm tired. All I wanna do is sleep.
My graduation was yesterday.
Oh yeah, congratulations.
Fine.
But yeah guys, so we're just gonna look at an Airbnb because that's where we're supposed to be staying, and then that Monday, and then in the afternoon we have pictures, and then in the evening is the graduation. My nails not done. If I just want to walk to the front door with no nails, this will. But yeah. We are still going. Nalima kudala. Hi guys, we've just paid for the Airbnb. We're in the elevator. We're going to the police because I want us to register with the police first. But yeah, going to the police. Status tired. Tired D.
刷电梯用的，然后那个电梯的话，就是离你们学校这边近一点，可以下去，然后坐2号电梯是不需要刷卡的。假如说你带了你朋友也带，到时候他可以坐2号电梯。然后刚才我办公室那边下面那个超市正常超市，那个是坐3号电梯，一个3号，一个2号不用刷卡。
So guys, this is the house where I'll be staying while I'm here in China. Let's look at the view. Okay. Like, it's quite a pretty view. So there's a couch. So guys, there's a fridge. So it actually looks different than it looked on the pic. Okay, it looks the same as on the pictures, but it was like more furnished. Oh guys, it stinks. Anyway, it's like a loft apartment. So let's go up the stairs. It looks very different. So on this side there's like a bed. I thought it was a single bed, but yeah, it's got like storage space and all. And then this side is like a closet. I don't know how to do this room tour thing, but yeah, it's like a cute closet. And then there's the contiao, which is like the aircon. There's a desk, and then there's a double bed. Yeah, and then this is the view again. Yeah, but this is it for this is where we're gonna be staying. It's like an overview and all that stuff. Anyway guys, so that's like a house tour of what we stay while I'm in China, because the campus did not allow me to stay on campus. I tried to ask and they were just like, no, like go book a hotel. But hotels are pretty expensive in Hangzhou, and most of them are racist. They don't accept black people. So this was like the easiest we could find was an apartment that would actually accept the beautiful chocolate skin. So we found one. It's not bad, although on the pictures it's over furnished. Like if I showed you guys the pictures, this is always looking it like looks super inviting, but we can work with this. And it's a little bit far away from school. It's like an hour away, but otherwise I'm honestly satisfied because it's better than yesterday I had to sleep in my Elizabeth's room. Like, she was my roommate when I was here 3 years ago. But I was grateful for the accommodation yesterday, but I was telling her, like, we have to like find an Airbnb, move out, because yeah. But anyway, guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Probably will be the graduation vlog. Today is a graduation, but I'll end this one here. We'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.